guys, it's Mayo, the Frugal Chef. I hope you're well. Let's make this egg salad BLT today. Yeah, I can't wait to eat this. It is so good. Before we do anything, if you would please sub, I'd really appreciate that. Don't forget to turn on the notification button so you get notified when we have new videos. Let's go do this. I have 4 hard-boiled eggs in here, which I'm going to mash with a fork. I'm going to put a link up here so you can see how I do my hard-boiled eggs, okay? I'm going to add a teaspoon of chopped capers. And a heaping tablespoon of mayo. And we'll do a couple teaspoons of mustard. Salt and pepper. Easy peasy. Nice and creamy and delish. I'm gonna taste it for salt. It's perfect. Let's assemble our sandwich. You know this would go beautifully inside a lettuce, like a lettuce wrap. Oh yes, if you want to keep it lighter. So anyway, I'll put the lettuce down here. Some tomatoes. I'm not putting any extra mayo or anything on the bread because we got plenty in the egg. So I'm gonna put some pickled jalapeños in here, optional. And 2 slices of bacon. Obviously these have been cooked, and as you can see, I broke one. All right. And there we have a delish egg salad sandwich, guys. All right, let's taste this. Wow. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy right now. Oh, the egg is super creamy. Oh man, it's delicious. And the bacon is crisp. Of course, that jalapeno for me adds a lot. The lettuce, the tomato, the bread, everything. This is great. Thank you so much for watching. If you would give me a like and a comment, I'd really appreciate it. And if you could share this with your friends and family, that would be just awesome. See you soon, guys.